It's another elevator. The Hilton El Conquistador Hotel here in Tucson. Go to 2. Door close works when you push the button. Yeah, this one's the same as the other one, but it serves the second floor. Let's get off at 4. You can see the bumpers. Very old style elevator, has a cool motor.